5 people, including a woman, were shot during an attack at a gospel concert and fun day event in Christiana in Manchester on Tuesday night. Head of the Manchester Police, Superintendent Shane McCullough, told Observer Online that the incident, which happened shortly before 11 p.m., was an unprovoked and senseless act. It is an early event that is always peaceful with a fun day. The information that we have so far is that 2 men on a bike rode up Ministry 11 and opened fire indiscriminately at persons standing outside the venue, said McCullough. The annual gospel concert, conceptualized by Lennox Peter Powell, was held in memory of his passing in June. McCullough said a motive has not yet been established for the shooting. The 5 people were rushed to hospital where they have been admitted in stable condition. A man is dead after his motorcycle collided with a stray cow on the Petersfield Main Road in Westmoreland on Christmas Eve. He is 29-year-old O'Dane Denison of Piper's Corner, Savannah-la-Mar in the parish. Reports from the police are that about 1 p.m., Denson was driving his motorcycle along the roadway when he collided with a cow that walked into his path. The police were summoned and Denison was taken to hospital by a passerby, where he later succumbed to his injuries. Denison is the 3rd person to have died in the parish since the start of the year as a result of untethered animals. A man has died and his adult daughter is receiving treatment at hospital following an early morning crash in Montego Bay, St. James on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as 43-year-old Marlon Allen, a resident of Woodland in Hanover. According to police reports, the crash occurred just after 6 a.m. Reports are that Allen and his daughter were traveling on a motorcycle when, upon reaching the intersection of Alice Aldermeyer Drive and Bogue Road, there was a collision with a Toyota Wish. Both Allen and his daughter were reportedly thrown from the motorcycle. They were rushed to hospital where Allen died. The police are investigating the collision.